Somehow our school got canceled today because of the wind. But not alcohol or something like that, or reporting everything. I don't know why here. Okay, let's see here. My computer's saying there's a tornado warning. Yo, Mark. Come on. Do I have internet? Yes, I do. Okay, come on. Okay, here it goes. Noah's coming up. My computer's slow then. He's busy. Let's go to WSBT 22. No. Okay, somehow the noaa is not working right. Let's go to Fox 28. Hey, my battery's alright. Tornado warning for report Warsaw to Joseph, Stark County, Indiana, and Barron County, Michigan. Oh wow! Let me put my camera down with me, please. Just sent you a message, man. Alright, I just sent you a message, man. Okay, it's mostly because, let me tell you why. Because I think this is the only time we get a tornado like here. It's like, where is a funnel at? Where's the fumble? Where is the fumble cloud? There's another tornado warning over here. Where is the tornadoes at? Alright, okay, there it is. Oh, Indiana. Indianapolis is on no warning. There's a blizzard in North Dakota. There's a tornado warning north of Evansville, tornado warning in Indianapolis, and we got one South Bend. Warnings are popping up. I told you it's going to happen. I don't know why Noah's radio's not working good. Maybe the other day I'm busy or something. Maybe there is. There's something wrong with Noah. Where is the tornado at? There's like 15 different storms. Where's the tornado at? Tornado right there. I think that's right there. This ain't tornado's right here. It's coming right towards us. That's a tornado right there. It's coming right towards us. There could be another warning here as well, so signs might go off again. Stay tuned for more updates.